Question number 1. The major points about deceptive statistics. Key concepts include the meaning of statistically significant causation versus correlation, relative risk versus absolute risk, scales and orders of magnitude, and margin of error. Gordon talked about how a CNN report that an ad was based on hot dogs causing cancer. The ad was sponsored by the Physician Committee for Responsible Medication. However, it didn't mention that other organizations, including the American Medical Association, had looked into the possible cancer nitrates link and determined that the available evidence didn't confirm any such association. The studies all have significant flaws. The video that I listened to talked about how the bottled drinking water is contaminated but comes from treated sewage. There is no information on this case. There is just listings. The range of the statistics is large. What is the effect of these drugs in the water? Gordon noted that she is aware that journalists face deadlines and didn't have or don't take the time to research every story. But that doesn't justify inaccuracy in print, on the airway, or online. Politics is involved in science. The media takes over and science isn't pure in their research. Question number 2. I read the article 3 C's of Communicating Science. Clarity, creativity, curiosity. It's about why public discussions about science are important and how scientists can effectively initiate those conversations. This article interested me because I always wondered how scientists communicated with their audience. I learned that know your audience, know the limits of your media or tool, use different communication tools to reach a broader audience. Don't forget the value of talking to niche or specialized tools to reach a broader audience. And finally, remember, word choice is important when you can stay away from jargon. Question number 3. The information I learned I will be clarity, creative, and curiosity of my work when I submit assignments in the module in college. When I become a nurse, I'll make sure I pay attention to my patients when I explain their condition. I'll make sure they understand me by not using jargon.